Welcome back, students. We are in the last section of Unit 4 in your workbook, the reading section. Please go to page 23 in your workbook. All right, it says reading strategy, making inferences. So, let's look at these pictures real quick and answer these questions. Have you ever eaten fast food? All right, so this one is fast food. All right, if so, what kind? So ustedes necesitan contestar este. Ustedes han comido fast food. Y si sí, ¿qué tipo, qué restaurante y qué comiste? Y necesitan contestar en inglés aquí. All right. So which picture shows an example of healthy eating? How do you know? All right, so number 2, this picture right here is number 2. All right, so which picture shows an example? This is the picture. Ustedes necesitan explicar por qué foto 2 es más saludable que foto 1. Y necesitan contestar aquí. All right, so the next section, read the text, underline the words that describe the author's feelings about unhealthy foods. Unhealthy. Un means not healthy. All right, and for this one, I'm going to switch to a highlighter. All right. So, healthy eating. Childhood obesity is a major problem. As young people near high school, they begin making their own choices about the food they put in their bodies. Unfortunately, many young people will choose to eat pizza, fast food, and soda over more nutritious foods. Eating fatty and sugary foods can lead to obesity. This is why it's important for young people to learn about healthy eating at a young age. So let's go back and do this part. Childhood obesity is a major problem. All right, so their own choices. Unfortunately, that means negative, something negative. Unfortunately, eating fatty and sugary foods can lead to obesity. This is something else. All right. Now let's go to the next paragraph. One way for young people to learn about healthy eating is by providing learning activities at school. For example, young people can play games where they need to identify a variety of healthy and unhealthy foods. They can also play games where they must replace unhealthy foods with healthier foods. For example, they can replace white bread with bread made from whole grains. Finally, young people can find recipes for healthy meals and post them online. All right, so their feelings towards unhealthy foods, really the only thing I think is they can learn about healthy foods at school. So this is saying that all they know is about unhealthy foods. Let's go to the last paragraph. The foods young people eat will be the same foods they eat as adults. That is why it is important for them to learn about healthy foods when they are young. By choosing healthier foods as young people, they can lead healthy lives as adults. This last one, right there. All right. So that is what I thought was the author's feelings about unhealthy food. If you have other things, it's okay. Your opinion and my opinion might be a little different. Let's go to section C. Read and answer each question. All right. So what inferences can you make about the importance of being healthy? Excuse me. And why? So here ustedes necesitan escribir sus inferences de la importancia o por qué es importante ser saludable. Y necesitan explicar por qué. Pero contesta en inglés, por favor. Number 2. How does the author feel about eating healthy food? How can you tell? So how can you tell is like, ¿cómo sabes? All right, so, ¿cómo se siente autor de comer comida saludable? So necesitan explicar cómo se siente the person that wrote this and ¿por qué cómo sabes esto? Number 3. Explain one other inference you can make from the text. All right, if you don't understand the word inference, por favor, usa un diccionario. Explain one other inference you can make from the text. So, explica aquí. All right. And this section no vamos a hacer. So, eso es todo para unidad 4. Gracias para seguir y recuerda, si necesitas ayuda, manda un mensaje por favor. And adios.